Good morning, and welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and I just want to point out a few things. On Friday, we closed at 28.8 for CME on Bitcoin and 17.46 on CME for Ethereum, both targets under our weekly levels. We needed 29.3 for Bitcoin, and we needed about 19.50, I believe, for Ethereum, or 19.25 for Ethereum. So gold closed under those levels. I'm expecting next week for lows to continue. As you can see right now, Bitcoin had a little bit of a bounce as soon as we opened, but it looked very weak. We're already hitting our resistance at 28.8, which was our first level of resistance. Opening closes above there, we can expect to probably retest the high of yesterday at around 29,350 to 29.5. And then if we can continue outside of that range to the top side and then get above 29.8 with 4-hour open and closes, we can look for a quick move up to around 30,800 to 31,250. Until we break this level and claim it with 4-hour open and closes, I'm not looking for higher. I'm looking at this as the first level of resistance to be proven that the downside is over. So even if we get up here, I can see us rolling back down. But if we get up here and start closing 4 hours open and closes and going sideways, that will give the EMA the chance to curl around and take the upside. So the room to the upside is possible, but we need to hold this level and not go under 28,000. Any open and closes under 28,000, we're going to be looking lower targets to come at us a lot faster. The first level we're looking at is at 28,100. That gave us a bounce yesterday, which already got tested and it didn't break through. But losing that level, we're looking for 27.5, and we're looking for 25,000 at 400 for the bottom of this setting channel. Hopefully that gives us support. If we start closing 4 hours under that, then I'm looking at 2,300 level area to get tapped. That's my play on Bitcoin. Keep in mind it's a weekend holiday, so close. Quoting action might occur. Don't get too bearish though, because the market maybe can push this up really quickly. Stop out all shorts before bringing it right back down. So no need to be bullish, but I am looking for targets to the downside where I want to keep. Going to the 4-hour on Bitcoin, we can see that we are just barely hanging on to this $28,800 level. Starting to close 4 hours under that, we should quickly see the move go into the bottom targets that we have already out. Market just opened a new 4-hour candle, so let's see how this 4-hour goes. If selling starts increasing, we'll see the volume increase. Right now there is no volume, but whichever side the volume wants to come on is probably too. To the upside, we have a lot of resistance at 29,100. So anything 4-hour wise, open and closing above 29,250, we can look for higher targets. But if we're under that, just keep your eye on for the lower targets. As soon as we lose 28,200 to the downside with 4-hour open and closes, we should see the full force of the downward move come in. And just keep in mind that if we hit these levels, you can see a quick wick back up, because these are major levels that people have probably put their stop loss to get that. There, I hit it, wick it, go right back up, and trickle back under it. So don't just jump into a position. All right, well that's Bitcoin for you. Also, you're pushing away from the 55 and the 21 EMA are pushing away from each other, giving more evidence that it might go further to the downside, because the 21 is acting as pushing us down. All right, so let's go look at Ethereum now on a daily. Already I told you it did not make our Friday cutoff target. So right now Ethereum basically is bouncing off our 1715 target. The high of yesterday was 1820. So I can see us getting into that area, or I already have. So I expected to bounce back into that area around 1820, 1850. And then I was expecting it to roll down over and then take up the that we put at 17. 1850 to 17, not going to hold for long. So I'm looking for these lower targets anyway. gonna take some time. Like we saw this consolidation took like a week or two. Then we finally broke down, which took another week. Now we're finding support, which is probably going to be another week, and then we're going to look for the but any open and closes 17 in all these lower targets, such as 1300 and 942, are realistic targets. And I'm gonna go to the 4-hour now because I want to show that even if we get above 850, we have hard resistance at 1995 because there's only one EMA is actually coming right. If we did hold this level sideways, there's a possibility to go to the top side, but due to the fact that we started losing that level, and then the sellers started increasing their volume due to the panic of breaking out of this consolidation, pushed everyone to the bottom of this wick. And now that wick has been tested, and it's giving you a little dead cat bounce right now. If this bounce doesn't show more volume to the side, it's gonna roll right on over, and then start making lows. The fact that the CME already told you that we're expecting new lows next week, as well as Bitcoin. Both of them are telling you expecting. Be prepared. Let's go to the 4-hour here on Ethereum. Zooming into the 4-hour, we can see that the price is going sideways on the 1715 level that we've been talking about for weeks. We are trying to see if this bounce has any legs. The highest resistance over here at 1820, I would say maybe we tap that and then we look at the downside target. 4-hour open and closes above 1820, we the higher target at 1940. But if we can't get above 1940, once again, we'll just bounce around between 55 and the 21 until we pull back down. Right now, all the buy the dippers and all the people who think the bottom is in are buying and holding the price at this level. As soon as they run out of money or the market maker sees that the buying volume has stopped, he will basically keep the next leg down himself by market selling it, the price down. We have a lot of untapped naked point of controls on this bottom area. One of these is probably going to be the level that we bounce off of hitting quick. We might quickly flush down, hit it, whip back up, test into this. We draw it. So I was saying we might break down, test into these levels, quickly whip up, hit our orange, reject back down, take out that low, and find some support on this actual. And this fib is from a weekly, so this has a lot of confluence. So when it does come down here and tests it with it comes back down, and we find some support here and then start making higher lows and breaking back into the channel, finding some support, then we can look the upside to come. So it's gonna be some time. We're gonna have to wait to see how price wants to area. And until Monday market, the price New York Stock Exchange opens at Tuesday. I'm not really looking to trade this. I just want to see where we find support. And that is Ethereum for you on a 4-hour. Just keep in mind the volume is dying down to the upside, so the next wave down should probably be coming next 4 hours or so, maybe into the middle of the day at New York Stock Exchange, like around 12 o'clock. The next 4-hour candle, we should trickle down then. All right, well, I hope all you guys are staying safe in this holiday weekend. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please just leave it in the section below. I will get back to you ASAP. If you have any other assets you want me to cover, leave it in the section below as well. I'll get back to you. If you look at the description of the video, you will find the Discord group. I'm super active in there, posting current up-to-date charts on a regular basis. So do feel free to join there. It's completely free, and there's a lot of professional traders I've been trading with for the last 4 or 5 years with, in crypto specifically, that are there that can give you their insights and their methods how they trade, because we all use different techniques. Also, I greatly appreciate everyone who is commenting on the videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to do that. It really means a lot to me. It shows me that you are accepting of this material, because there's a lot of pushback and a lot of negative feedback that I got from everyone when I started this channel with posting my videos in TA. So I'm glad that at least some people are benefiting from it, because other people weren't so inviting of these hurtful lines, as they like to call it. Aside from that, guys, I just want to say thank you so much. I love you so much for freaking subscribing to the channel, pressing the bell button for notifications, and pressing the like. I so appreciative for you guys spreading the good word on my channel. It makes me want to continue this, even though I'm working over 12 hours a day right now with 2 jobs. I'm still making the time to do these videos for you guys. So thank you so much for showing me your love and support. I'm giving it back to you tenfold. And anything I can do to make this experience better, let me know. And I promise you, I will do everything I can to make sure that you guys are staying engaged and getting the most up-to-date information as possible. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Aside from that, guys, I hope you guys have a great holiday weekend. Be warned that it's a holiday weekend, so it's going to be low volume and price can move quickly because there's not enough orders in the order books. So just be very, very cautious. Keep your stops tight. Don't over leverage, and just be patient until Sunday at 8, because then that data point will be solid. And then we got to be patient for Tuesday, because Monday the markets are not going to trade. So you're going to get a lot of floating action from Europe and Asia still actively trading, but the US will be on the sidelines. So aside from that, guys, I wish you the best. And I hope to see you guys very, very soon in real life. I'm going to be holding some meetups here in Puerto Rico. So if you're in Puerto Rico, yeah, we should get to meet up with each other and have a drink and discuss some TK real time. Aside from that, guys, I will talk to you guys soon. I hope to be reading some good comments later and maybe even some requests. And I hope that the rest of you meet me in the Discord so we can make fun of my TA and colorful lines together. All right, guys. Have a great one. Talk to you soon.